Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Since we are in the middle of spring, I wanted to enjoy this season by creating something that represents it, and for me butterfly are the symbol of spring. And I've seen these brooches everywhere on Pinterest and Instagram, and I always wondered how all these embroidery artists were creating them. So I wanted to try it myself. And in today's video, I'm not going to show you how I embroider all the parts. This is going to be a video for another time, just how I combine all the elements to make these brooches. So I already embroidered every single part of the brooch. As you can see, I'm using a very lightweight fabric. This is organza in white, and I'm using a paper covered wire in the size 28. It's very lightweight, quite sturdy, but it's not too much. If you want to do stump work, I think it is really good. It's a very good size for that. While you're cutting all the single part, be very extra careful. You don't want to accidentally cut the outline. So we have three layers for the body, and the middle one we are going to attach all the wings, and then on the last one, the third layer, is going to be the brooch. So it's very easy. So it's very easy. You will have to put the brooch base first, and then the felt, and then you stitch everything together. Now to attach the wings on the body, what you want to do is to bend the extra wiring on the single wings, and then you simply stitch it to the body. If you have the problem that your wire is too short, what I advise you to do is to make a little loop, and then you stitch the loop on the body. The only thing left now is to attach the various parts of the body to the rest. I'm starting with the last layer. Before attaching it to the embroidered part, I place the brush base first, as you can see, and I'm using a round one, but you can use any kind of brush base. This brush was meant for lightweight, to be placed on lightweight fabrics, so no cords, nothing too thick, but you can choose whatever you want. So what I'm doing now is to attach the body, the various parts of the body, with a blanket stitch, so it wouldn't be visible. So my advice here is to use a similar color or the same color to the felt. This is the result after stitching everything together. Personally, I think it's really beautiful. I love the color red, and even from the back it looks really neat, and it's perfect as a gift for a friend or for yourself. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.